The bottom for the Williamsburg Elliptical Container, the bottom is shaped, of course, like an ellipse, and then it's beveled on its edges. So this is the look of the bevel. It gets down to 1/16 inch in the center there, beveled on both sides. So I'm working a piece of cherry here. I marked it out with this template, and I was able then to show where that bevel starts, and also I've got the 1/16 thickness marked down here. So I'm roughing it out right now with I used a little bit of a draw knife, but that was tough. I'm finding it a little bit easier with Spokeshaves. Let me see if I can show you how the Spokeshaves work. Then when it gets a little bit rough with that Spokeshave, I'll just pick up this one. Then I just need to reposition so that I'm going to get in the way here, I guess, a little bit of the camera. You have to work with the grain. I have to go this way, and then I have to go this way. Boy, that really does wonders on that cherry, hard cherry. I'm just at the roughing stage. I'm going to have to get closer to the marks. But I want to get some of this the ends here. Squeeze that in there. See if this will work. I'll probably have to use the other Spokeshave. Ooh, I gotta stop there. Then I'm gonna have to come this direction, and that'll block the view. But I think you get the idea of how I'm going about. I have to bevel the other side as well.